Alright, let us unlock the beauty of multiplying 51 by any even numbers from 2 to 98. So in here, we have examples, 5 examples. 51 multiplied by 10, by 18, by 40, by 62, and 78. So these are all even numbers. So let's multiply. So to get the product of these numbers, of these even numbers multiplied by 51, divide this by 2, and that is 5. And then copy 10. So in here, divide this by 2, that is 9. And then copy 18. 40 divided by 2, that's 20. And then copy 40. 62 divided by 2, that is 31. And then copy 62. For 78, divide this by 2, that is 39. And copy 78. Very easy.